At East Tennessee Children's Hospital, we know that time is precious, but some times are better than others. That's why we have 4 urgent care facilities with pediatric experts ready to get you back to better in no time.
Well, it turned out to be a nice day around East Tennessee. Sure hope you had a great Sunday, everybody. We saw a couple of showers and thunderstorms across the Southern Valley. I'll show the big picture coming up here in just a second. But we did make it to 82 degrees in Knoxville, 84 Chattanooga, and 79 in the Tri-Cities. Now, we are going to continue to see that risk for severe storms stay to our south and west, even though we've had a couple of showers and thunderstorms firing up across the Southern Valley. No risk here for the rest of the night tonight. But that does change as we head through the day tomorrow, because we do have a level 1 and a level 2 risk Monday into Tuesday by the Storm Prediction Center. So a little bit closer to home, the Southern Valley has the greatest threat for seeing damaging winds, large hail. Those are going to be the main threats, combined with torrential downpours, of course, with any of these thunderstorms. North of Interstate 40, a level 1 risk. So here's what we're talking about. Medium category for damaging wind and large hail. So could see quarter-size hail or maybe a little bit larger in some locations, but 60-mile-per-hour winds or greater can be possible. Never say never with tornadoes, but this is not a tornado-induced environment, so not have to worry about that. Flooding and flash flooding isolated in nature based on if you've gotten a lot of rain over the last 7 days, you have a better chance for seeing that. Rainfall amounts just through 7 o'clock here tonight, again, have been mainly south of Interstate 40. And again, that's going to be the goal. The general idea, see if I can get my words out, the general idea as this next little wave of energy comes on through. 50s and 60s for morning low temperatures here overnight tonight. It's going to be a nice, comfortable start to the day. We're going to warm back into the low to mid 80s, south of Interstate 40s, 70s to the north. And here comes our system. There's a lot of discrepancies on models don't handle these kind of systems very well. We're talking about a complex of storms to come in out of the upper Midwest in that northwesterly flow. Most models have it probably closer to, say, noon till about 4. This in-house model is bringing in some showers and thunderstorms and maybe a little bit early, but give or take a couple of hours, as these are, again, not predicted very well. We just know that we're going to have a complex of thunderstorms coming on through. They're going to bring in damaging winds and the potential for some heavy rain and large hail. Then it moves its way on out as we get through the afternoon and evening hours on Monday. All the way into Tuesday morning, though, again, from this system, we're talking about the potential of a half an inch to over an inch of rain. It's going to kind of be hit and miss wherever this complex comes on through. That's who gets the majority of the rain as we go through Monday. Now, as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, we got a cold front on the way, and this also could present a problem for us here in East Tennessee and around the region. We've got a level 1, 2, and 3 risk across the region. Here in East Tennessee, we've got a level 2 and a level 1 and a level 2. And it's all associated with this boundary. First of all, that's going to be the boundary that's going to bring us the showers and thunderstorms on Monday. And then as we get into Tuesday, here comes our frontal boundary. So here's Tuesday morning, 7 o'clock, showers and thunderstorms to our west. Severe weather starts to break out, and this whole system will slide its way across the state. There's 7 o'clock on Tuesday, so potentially a couple of rounds of showers and thunderstorms, maybe in the early morning hours, and depending on how the atmosphere recovers, depends on really what we see in the evening hours, but this could potentially be another sundown event. But like the last one, well, not like the last one, I was going to say, it sped up. No, the models were speeding it up, but then it ultimately came through at about 2 o'clock in the morning. So the point of the story is severe weather is possible Tuesday night and Wednesday, and again through the day tomorrow. When you look at your rainfall forecast all the way through Wednesday, pockets and rounds of some good solid downpours. The benefit of this next cold front that comes through Tuesday is it drops our humidity levels and pleasant weather is on the way. So when you look at your 7-day forecast, a couple of days of severe thunderstorms. We're in the low to mid 80s, dropping into the 70s on Wednesday, upper 60s Thursday, Friday, with low temperatures to round out the week and start the weekend anyways. We're going to be in the 40s with highs in the mid 70s. So a gorgeous weekend ahead of us, maybe a couple of pop-up showers and thunderstorms. Just make sure you stay alert Monday and Tuesday. Download the East Tennessee Weather app and you'll get all the notifications from the National Weather Service. All right, we sure hope you have a great night. Don't forget, Wake Up with Witcher starts off at 6 o'clock in the morning, bright and early, family-friendly way to get your weather forecast for the day, every single day. We'll see you then.